your hands together for Mr. Prasan.
It's an honor for me to speak in front of you all, good people. And the topic we have been given is depression. So I say that depression, what actually is the cause of depression? I would say that failure and success are the part and parcel of your life. They are mandatory. If you don't have failure, suppose that you don't have failure, then how will you understand what you have done, what you have sacrificed so as to get that? So you must have failures. My friend Ahmed has been successful in telling me, convincing me that failure is a stepping stone to success. What his life is, what a great experience he has, and with this, I must start that the failure is the actual cause because of which people are depressed actually. So that everybody, even you who all are watching, would definitely have had an experience of that failure, that even in our society, that we are so strange and we have so cocooned ourselves, like we know only our nearby relatives, and even the fifth house down the line you don't even know the name of the people. This much is the extent of cocoonment and the estrangement of the society, that we have made ourselves so aloof that we are completely we don't have the inter-society communications, inter-society religious or cultural events. We don't even go there. And now in that scenario, when you have no one to be supported, then how will you be able to get over such a harsh thing which will give you so great a lesson, that is called failure? How will you get over it? Who will be convincing you that you have to take lesson from that and thereafter you'll have to proceed? Abdul Kalam was devastated when he got rejected, that he got a chance in Indian Air Force, I guess. So he got rejected and he was devastated. And what he took help with, he actually went to Dehradun. So in Dehradun, he met a saint, and saint said that you have a great many opportunities and you are a living soul that will give the lesson to the whole world, that who actually a successful and great person is. So just follow the path and destiny will lead you to the success. So this is what I have been telling you, that failure is a part and parcel of the life, that you must accept it and you must learn from that. And thereafter I would like to included one famous saying that is permanent and that has been consistent, that during the time of failure and agony and these kind of situations, there is a permanent saying that this too shall pass. This too shall pass, whether be it the happiness that has been the ephemeral one, so or be it the failure, or be it the pain, agony of anything, that you have lost someone, that you have failed an attempt, that you have not succeeded in giving the SSC CHSL or CGL exam, or so anything, that you have failed in JEE Advanced or NEET exam, that you have not come up to the expectations what your parents or society wanted you to be. So if these are the situations, I must say that learn this quotation and repeat it day by day, as Lisa Nicholas used to do. Please watch her documentary. I would say please watch her lessons and life lessons that she has learned, and thereafter she has told us. We are so grateful that even I am so grateful that I have met her, actually watched her videos in my days of down. When I was down, then I used to watch her lessons, and she told us her brilliant story, that she was so down that she was determined enough to go to any change, to change herself in any way, any possible way, so that she had herself said that she had hit the rock bottom of her life and she wanted to change herself. When we are downmost, at our most down point, then we are susceptible to every kind of change, and she took the best path, and there she is, and she has motivated us and motivated me so as to give the speech about depression. So please accept it, please admit it, let the emotions flow like river, accept your failures, and thereafter learn and determine enough that you will sail it through. Thank you.
Wonderful.